Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Make sure iCloud Safari Sync is enabled so tabs from other devices are available. Open Safari, then tap the Tab button or choose Tab Overview on Mac. Once there, press and hold the plus button on iPhone or use History Recently Closed on Mac to reveal recently closed tabs. Do this first because the easiest restorations appear immediately. Syncing keeps tabs visible across devices, so you don't waste time hunting for files. Once done with the initial check, use Safari's built-in recovery tools. On Mac, pick History, then reopen Last Closed tab or reopen all windows from last session. That often brings back whole sessions. On iPhone and iPad, long press the plus button or the tabs icon to list recently closed tabs. Tap any entry to restore it. If a tab isn't listed, search your history by keyword. Safari logs visited pages, so searching can quickly locate and reopen the exact page you lost. To finish, ensure devices are synced. If tabs still don't appear, toggle iCloud Safari off and then on, give it a minute to resync and reopen Safari. If you need older tabs, check Backups, Time Machine on Mac or an iOS backup, and restore the Safari data. Make sure to reboot or sign out and back into iCloud only if necessary. Troubleshooting tip. If syncing stalls, sign out of iCloud on one device and sign back in after a restart. That often forces Safari data to repopulate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.